Vote for good governance. Vote for Joselito Dalio.
A few inches later.
Hi! Vote for Anson Mina from YOLO Party List Fun for All.
Yes, guys, vote for us and you should vote wisely. You should always stay kind. Huwag yung kalimutan kasi yung kabilang grupo ng sila. Alam mo, yung leader nila mukhang nang bubugbog tas good governance. Walang ganon. So guys, vote wisely.
Thank you!
Thank you! Hoy. Hello po. Ako po si Joselito Dalio at nais ko lang pong humingi ng suporta sa darating na botohan. Ako nga po pala ay tatakbo bilang Student Council President at ang gusto ko lamang pong i-promote ay good governance para sa ating lahat. Yun lamang po.
Let's all congratulate our new SSLG President, Ainson Mina.
Wake up, people! Ainson Mina only ran as president for enjoyment. Hindi dapat siya binoboto. Just because he's popular doesn't mean he will become a good leader for everyone. He also ignores students' concerns. In my opinion, Joselito Dalio has what it takes to be a student council president. He promotes good governance. His advocacy is paved with policies. He is a dedicated and responsible leader. He is passionate. He has a vision for real change and he ensures every student's voice is heard.
Ang school government or the student council ay may main role in helping make the rules and policies na makakatulong sa students. Kaya kapag boboto tayo, piliin natin yung may alam sa paggawa ng maayos at makabuluhang policies at may malinaw na plano para sa school community. Remember, ang trabaho ng student council ay tumulong gumawa ng rules and policies para sa ikabubuti ng lahat. Hindi lang basta pagpaplano ng events and palaro. Okay?
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbi.